Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at my latest purchase. This is the model TC16 solar trail camera. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Already taken everything out of the box. I will show you the box. There's not a whole lot to show you on the box. They don't even have the specifications or anything like that listed, which is a little unusual. 24 megapixel 1080p camera. Let's look at everything it comes with. Pretty standard to most other trail cameras. They give you a metal mounting bracket. If you want to use this, you basically just take off one of these nuts, put it through there, screw it to a tree or a post. They give you some mounting screws as well. Cloth strap, if you're not wanting to use the metal mounting bracket, you can run this through the back of the camera. The main thing that you need here, well, let me show you. They give you an instruction manual. Instruction manual is a little unusual. It's written in English and it's written in German. And that's it, but should be pretty basic. USB Type-C charging cable. This is going to be important because even though it's a solar trail camera, the first thing you're going to want to do is plug it in, get the internal battery fully charged, and then the solar panel is going to basically keep it running out there. You can use AA batteries in this camera. I am not going to be using AA batteries. The reason I buy these solar ones is to save money on AA batteries, so I will be putting it out just running on the solar panel, and we will take a look at it. So, mounting bracket at the bottom and on the back, which is nice. Some cameras just put it on the bottom. I like that they give you two options on this one. Let's open up the camera real quick, take a look at it. And then once I get it charged and powered up, we'll go through some settings, and then as always, I'll put it out and attach some sample images and videos. If you did want to put AA batteries in, you would put them up here. The solar panel will not charge your AA batteries. The AA batteries will basically act as a backup. So if your solar panel internal battery goes dead, the AA's would kick in. 4 AA batteries. Does take a full-size SD card, which is another positive for me. I don't like the micro SD cards. It's a whole lot easier to manage the full-size ones. This is going to be your input for your USB Type-C cable, and that's pretty much it. So let's go through some of the settings of it. Alright, so I'm going to try and walk you through at least some of the basics of setting this camera. You've got a switch up here at the top, off, setup, and on, 3 different positions. And it's pretty simple. You've got your menu button up here on the top left. You have an up, down, left, right button, and then OK. Let's go ahead and we'll turn it to setup. At any point, if you wanted to take a manual image, you would press the left button. A manual video, you would press the right button. This top button, if you press it the first time, it'll take you into your memory card, and you can look and review your pictures and videos. So if you want to do that out in the field, this is the button you would use. If you press it a second time while you're on setup, it'll take you into your menu. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this somewhat okay. Or your settings, I should say. You're simply going to use the up or down buttons to go to whatever setting you want to adjust. When you want to adjust it, you simply press OK while you're on it. It'll take you into your options for that camera. So I'm going to go ahead. Let me see if I can get you a better view. Let's see if the backlight. Let me zoom in. How's that? So photo, video, or photo in video whenever the camera gets triggered, and then you're simply just going to use the arrows, set it to whatever you want, press OK. Photo resolution, just to show you your options. Again, this is a 24 megapixel camera. That's the highest setting. You could go as low as 1 megapixel if you wanted to. Photo series is whenever the camera gets triggered, how many pictures does it take? 1, 2, or 3. Your video resolution, the highest is going to be 1080p, the lowest is going to be 480p on this model camera. Video length, you can set anything you want to, be as specific as you want. 1 second is the minimum. 10 minutes is your maximum. So I'm going to set it to 16 seconds. Audio recording, do you want it to capture audio whenever it's doing video recordings? Yes or no? Or on or off, I should say. Shot lag is going to be what's your delay between the camera re-triggering itself. The side motion sensors, do you want those on or off? The sensitivity, how sensitive do you want your motion sensors to be? I'm just going to show you some of these quick settings. Target recording time is kind of a cool feature. Most cameras have it. If you only want the camera to be operational at nighttime or daytime or certain times, You could set that here in your target recording time. Time lapse would be if you're not interested in motion, but you're interested in taking a video or image at a certain interval throughout the day. That would be your time lapse. Language. Endless capture is, does the camera keep taking pictures even when the memory card's full and overwrite the earliest image, or does it just stop taking images or videos whenever your memory card is full? That's going to be your endless capture setting. Time and date would just be to go in and adjust your time and date. Photo stamp. Do you want time and date, just the date, or do you want it off? You can put a password on it. You can turn off the beep sound. So you'll notice now it's not making a beeping sound. Do you want to format the memory card? I always format the memory card on any camera the first time I put it in there. Serial number, reset settings, so on and so forth. I think we've gone through all of them. Once you've got the camera set the way you want, you're simply going to press the menu button, and then we're going to slide this from setup to on to trigger the camera. So let's put it out. Let's see what kind of video and image quality we get.